What is up, guys? Monster Fanatic here, going to Monsters on the Beach this weekend and forgot my laptop, so cannot make any full show videos until I get home Monday. So I decided I wanted to take a quick trip between shows here this Saturday afternoon and check out Digger's Dungeon because it has been a while and this guy is still standing. That tire is completely just hanging on by a thread, but you know what? Still looks so cool posted up like that. The drag truck, Adams, I believe, over there, the diner, the petting zoo, everything over there. Let's take a quick look inside because it's been a while. In Digger's Dungeon right now, they have some Rev Treads, the Dalmatian and El Toro, some 124s. I haven't seen the Stabilizer yet, so they have a few in stock here. Oh, there's some holiday exclusives right here. I don't know if any of these are still in the Superstore or not. I don't really pay attention, but I do have them all. The Earthshaker Halloween down there with a couple of the reindeers. Seems like they only have this one, Vixen. And then the Raven Halloween truck from a couple years ago. A bunch of Son of a Diggers. Plenty of those at Walmart though. They do have the Avengers Superstore exclusive. I love that one. And then the Blonde to the Bone, I believe. Yeah, so that's Kristen's. A single Scooby-Doo. A bunch of, what are these? The Dirt Squads. Tons of those. They have a little TV thing going for old Monster Jam moments. As you can see, Predator. And then here are a lot more 124 scales, some new, some old, some trophies, but they're laid out all across the store. Fiberglass pieces, these Truck and Pals, they've been here forever. They have some of these. I know a lot of people look for these. It looks like they have plenty. There's Dragonoid, Blue Thunder, Soldier Fortune, Son of a Diggers down there, more Soldier Fortune, and then they have a bunch of these Son of a Digger Trucking Pals. Bunch of clothes, as you can see, some cool shirts, really cool shirts actually, and they have plenty, racks and racks of shirts, both sides here, children's and adults, Son of a Digger, just so much to pick through, so cool. More trophies on the top there, t-shirts once again, the plushies, more over there. There's some 124s, Sparkle Smash, 40th Gravedigger down there, Earthshaker, more plush trucks over there, super cool. Some more memorabilia. That's to go over like drinks. It's a Bog Hog drink cover. And then here are the 164 scales. So we got some Nacho versus Neon, Sparkle Smash, some X35 actually, which I don't have the Thunder Roars, $10, which isn't too bad I guess, but I'll still wait for that to come out in stores because I know it will soon. The Fuel Academy, they're all organized pretty well. Dragonoid from Series 5, that's an old one. Avenger, Dragons, Monster Mutts, Jurassic Attacks, 2-packs, mostly new ones from what I see here. Some new 2-packs, and again the Nitro versus Neons. Those are a little bit older, but still not hard to find. They got some Monster Mutts. What series is this? 28? Yeah, it's 28. I knew it was a little old. And then more Avengers. They got tons of these Avengers. More Dragonoids, this Earthshaker. Some Stabilizers from Series 29. They have a bunch of these Scooby-Doos, surprisingly. And then even more 124 scales and some cool hats. There is the 30th anniversary Gravedigger piece that's been here for a while. It looks really cool. Some trophies. The Dennis Anderson sculpture. Super cool. The little Barbie car for Gravedigger. Really cool. It looks like an RC. I can't really tell. Then the Mystery Mutters, of course. Awesome. More clothing. Both sides here, super cool. 124 scales, more plush trucks in this Gravedigger basket. Earthshaker, Max Team, Monster Mutt, Whiplash. Sweet. Here's some vintage items. They have the Hall of Fame, which I'm assuming it's like 250 stickers. Old PlayStation game, the 124 scale Son of a Digger, and a Junkyard Dog in package. I did not expect to see something like that here. There's a Bog Hog. There's several right there in that box. Super cool trophies, and I know they have a museum, so we're gonna check that out in a minute. So many cool things to look at here. Guys, I had to show you guys the price of this Junkyard Dog. I had a Whatnot show and I sold one of these for $7, and look how much they wanted from here. I'm not even gonna say anything, I just wanted to show you guys.